How to do the photo swipe trend on TikTok. Hey guys, this is Nana from Create, Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. Tap on the plus sign icon in the middle of the screen and then tap on upload. Here what you have to do is here you have to select as much as photo that you want as a slideshow on your TikTok. Once you are done, tap on next. Now, here I have selected 5 of the photographs as an example, as you can see. Now you can do necessary edits here like adding a sound or adding a sticker and effects and all those stuff. Now once you're happy with it, just tap on the next option. Now what we will do here is we will just tap on post and it will take a while to be posted. Now let's go to our profile to check our video. Here you can see it is uploaded now and something like this will appear as a slideshow. And isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and that's a wrap for how to do the photo trend on TikTok.